When we say you're not experiencing, what we mean is your mind has interfered and it has distorted the experience. Now, for example, if somebody gives you a tight slap, now basically what you felt, the head moved and warmth was felt here. That's all. Why do you call it a slap? And he was angry with you. All this is mental commentary, no? So now, when we say completely experiencing, you go back to the slap and experience the slap. Just a big blow on your cheek, completely and purely. Then you will find that charge that somebody slapped you goes away. So somebody hitting you with his hand, he hit you, that's all. Nothing more than just being factual. This we call completion. That is, that incident is remembered, the memory is intact, but it is causing no ripples in your consciousness. It's just a factual memory. Somebody said you're a fool. Yes. There's a Tamil song in India where an enlightened man will be singing, 4 educated people told me I am a fool. He's very happy about it. No problems with being called a fool. So the thing is, the fact is 4 people called him a fool. 4 highly educated people called him a fool, and he's just saying 4 educated people called me a fool. That's all there is to life. But the mind is coming in and is giving a running commentary. Like you see some, in India, when there's a cricket match going on, they'll be giving commentary on the match, the ball came there. Like that, the mind is all the time commenting. Now the mind is shut down, then you actually experience. Now, if you see how the mind is interfering, then the mind stops. You must see it interfering. Then the experience takes place, and once it is done, it no more has any more charge. The memory is there, but it would not trouble you. Let us say some teacher in school insulted you, that pain could still be there, or somebody ditched you in life, that pain could still be there. But if that memory does not cause you any pain, it means it is undergone completion. So if you go on completing like this, then slowly you'll find you're dying to the moment. Whatever happens, it's over. You move on. That is, you begin to live in the present. And that opens up a lot of things, like joy and love. They all come automatically. But what you must focus on is completion. A lot of things are there, baggage is there, no? Which you have to work on and complete.